Hello, my friends. Welcome to Bunnytales. Today we're going to go over a CVC center that I have in my classroom. Let's read these words. H-ot. All together, hot. The word is hot. Let's find a picture that shows something that is hot. We have a hat, a thermometer that shows that it is hot, and a hut. We are going to put the clothespin on the thermometer. Let's read the next word. The next word is map. All together, map. Map. We need to find a picture of a map. There's a mop, a pan, and a map. We are going to put the clothespin on the map. Good job. That's the map. Now let's read this word. V-A-N. All together, van. We have a van, a fan, and a hen. We are going to put the clothespin on the van. Fantastic. Let's read this word. L-I-D. All together, lid. The word is lid. Do we have a picture of a lid? Yes, this is a picture of a lid. We are going to put the clothespin on the lid. That's amazing. Let's read the next word. The next word is w-e-b. All together, web. We have a picture of two people getting wed, a dog that is wet, and a web. We are going to put the clothespin on the web. Great work, web. Let's read this word. K-A-T. All together, cat. The word is cat. We have a mug, a cap, and a cat. We are going to put the clothespin on the cat. Fantastic. Let's read this word. B-I-B. Bib. The word is bib. We have a bib, a bed, and a bat. We are going to put the clothespin on the bib. Great work. Let's read this word. S-A-N. All together, sun. We have a bus, sun, and submarine. We are going to put the clothespin on the sun. Great work. Let's read this word. H-A-T. Hut. Hut. Now we have the same thermometer we had before showing hot. We have a hut and a hat. We're going to put the clothespin on the hut. Fantastic. That's a hut. Now let's read this word. R-U-G. All together, rug. We have a picture of a web, a rat, and a rug. We're going to put the clothespin on the rug. Great job. Let's read this word. B-E-D. All together, bed. Where is the picture of the bed? There's the bed. We're going to put the clothespin on the bed. Fantastic. That's a bed. Now let's read this word. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. Where's the picture of the dog? There's the dog. Let's put a clothespin on the dog. Fantastic. Let's read this word. J-E-T. Jet. let's find a picture of a jet. There's the jet. We're going to put the clothespin on the jet. Great work! That's the jet. Now let's read this one. M-A-P, mop. The word is mop. Let's put the clothespin on the mop. There's the mop. Great work! This is a great center for little kids that are learning to read CVC words. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you.